Hello, 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 hello. Dumelang Botswana ko hi, and hello to the rest of the world. It is I, Rudy. I just want. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry. Let's stop with the weirdness. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. But hello. Hello. Today I will be giving you an eyebrow tutorial, which is probably long overdue. Probably should have been like my first makeup video that I put out, because I personally think eyebrows are the basis of everything. Whether you're trying to get beat or just those days when you need a little extra. I'm gonna put up on that. Well, when same page, me and you are together, we get each other. Yeah, moving along. I hope everybody's doing good during this coronavirus situation. Taking care of yourself, taking precautions. Thank you. Yeah. Let me know if you like the video. If you do, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think and anything else you'd like to see from me. Or you can go ahead, jump onto Instagram, hit me up there. My Instagram handle is Rody_W. What else? Oh yeah. If you haven't subscribed already, if you have not subscribed already, what are you doing with your life? Huh? I'd like to know. Please tell me. What are you doing with your life if you cannot support your girl over here? Like, come on. You can go ahead and like click the subscription button. I'm gonna give you a minute. Go ahead, click that subscription button, then jump over to the notification bell so that they hit you up when your girl's here, giving you a little something, a little something. Okay? If you're done with that, we can go ahead and get started. So first of all, we're doing nothing but brushing our babies up, making sure, we get them in order, just how we like them. So I hope you don't mind that this piece is spit up. Okay, now sometimes I like to go over my brow with a bit of soap. Yep, I said soap. Before you get judgmental, just try it out and see how it works out for you, because it will lay your brow hairs like really good, sis. And this is going to come in handy when it's time to fill in your eyebrows, since you already have some sort of guide in place right after doing what I'm doing right now, shaping them after that soap. See how good it's laid down? Yeah, it's gonna really help you when it's time for that. And yes, I know there's products for this out there, but sis, best believe if I am not doing it on a client, it's just on me, I'm gonna use me some soap and save me some product, hence my coins. You know what's up. Oh yeah, and before lunch, I could say like yo, my lips will not stop peeling. I know, like, thank you, bye. If you're a day one, you'll know that I've been having some skin problems. It's a lot better now. It's a whole lot better. It's not your smooth canvas type of situations, but it's, I'd rather this than what it looked like 3 months ago. But these pills and the peeling are not it. Okay, now we're gonna powder down your eyebrows, okay? Because we all know sometimes through the day they tend to get a bit shiny. If yours don't, then God bless you. But that's what we're doing. And then after this, we're going to pat your brows down, make sure there's no excess powder. Oh yeah, and I made a mistake, which I hope you guys do not make. After putting on that soap, make sure you wipe away the excess on your skin, because I'm pretty sure at some points you'll be able to see that white bit on my skin because I didn't have any clear soap. So please do that. Also, how did you feel about the background music? Because that's where I be when I'm making these videos for y'all. That's if you can even hear any background music, because if you can, that means the video made it. We weren't flagged. Yay.
And now for the part most of you guys were waiting for. It's time to define my brow. I'm gonna start by my arc there and just drag it down. Outline the bottom of my brow tail and then go ahead to the top and outline the top where my brow will be. Drag it down and make sure it meets the bottom outline. If I'm happy with the shape, I'll go in and fill in the tail of my eyebrow. Now, ladies, make sure you do not drag your tail out too far because we all know some of these eyebrows that we be seeing in them streets. Like, you know what I'm saying, sis. Yeah, those ones. Don't do that. Please do not do that. And then from there, if I'm happy with my tail, I'm gonna go to the front of my eyebrow without taking no new product. Please, we do not need any new product for the front of our eyebrows because we need to keep it as light as possible. I'm just going to underline the front of my eyebrow for a bit more definition. I'm not going to fill it in. I'm not going to put any new product on it. Need to keep it as light as possible. You see how I barely put anything there, but my eyebrow just thick like that? It's just the way it is. I wish, that was my tail and my dispersed tail was the front. But what's a girl gotta do? If you're happy with that eyebrow, move on to the next one and replicate what you did that side. Okay, let's do that.
There you go. Sasha, there you go. There you go. Bang. There you go. There you go. There you go. Why you not green? Cause them ain't diamonds and that ain't go. There you go. Broke ass niggas.
And now time to clean up our eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with some concealer, a shade lighter, especially by my arc there to make, help with that pop. I'm gonna place it in the center of my eyebrow, the center bottom of my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna do the same for the other brow. And after this, I'm gonna take a shade closer to my skin tone for the front and ends of my eyebrow. This is just to disperse the color that you see me putting on, so that there's no disconnect with the color on my eyelid eyebrow with the rest of my face. We use that shade closer to your skin tone or of your skin tone if you do have that to disperse this color and melt it into the rest of your face so that there's no disconnect. Make sure you have a really nice blend of everything. No harsh lines or anything like that. So that's what I'll be doing here. And then, just drag everything up, go to the front, clean up the front of your eyebrow, make sure you have those clean lines and everything is like really good. No worries if you messed up when filling up, that's what concealer's for, get everything looking good. Just drag everything down into the eyelid and I'll later blend it in. Look how clean the bottom of that brow is, sis. Like, come on now. Come on. You gotta give me that. If nothing else, like, okay. And when you're done with that side, you can go ahead and move on to your other eyebrow and do the same. Disperse the color out and melt everything into the rest of your face. And you guys, ke belela le gore ke tsenwa ke flu nyana. Like my throat be hurting and stuff, like, yo. And now time to blend everything in. Make sure there's no harsh lines. But first and foremost, can we talk about Sonda? If you do not love them, that's the reason we ain't friends. I don't care what you think. That's the reason we're not friends. I love them. I love them. And the song that played before this was also theirs, and it is one of my faves. But anyway, let's get back to blending. Make sure you blend real good. Like when it comes to blending, please be patient with it rather than rushing and then not having as good as a finished product as you would have if you just stayed with it. Blending is very important. Just blend out everything. Make sure it's smooth, no harsh lines. You'll be happy. If I speed it up, is it fast enough? I don't know. Fast forwarding. So, if you're trying to have your brows with a bare face, I wouldn't advise this. I'd rather you keep them as before. But if you're going to put on makeup, you might as well clean up the top as well. I already did one eyebrow, and now I am doing the other. You're just replicating what you already did to the bottom of your eyebrow to the top. You just clean them up with a steady hand. And yeah, that's it. And then you blend it out. And so when you're done cleaning up your eyebrows, both the top and the bottom, you just keep on blending until it is satisfactory to you. Like where you feel there's no harsh lines, and when you put on your foundation, you'll be able to melt everything together. So you just stay patient, keep blending until you achieve that. So blend away. Can I repeat how much I love Sonda? Like, they're still playing even though it's sped up. That's what I'm listening to. Y'all should check them out, okay? Please do. Hit me up, let me know what you think about them. Over there, Instagram, you know the drill. Really_W. Now, when you're done with blending, just brush your brows if that's what you'd like to do. You know, yeah.
Yeah, and that is it for these eyebrows, these little bad boys. Well, personally, I think this is one of the easiest ways to get your eyebrows done, because as long as you got the shaping right, all you have to do is like fill in. So yeah, if you'd like, we can do, I don't know, like a mini eyebrow tutorial, like an eyebrow 101, like where we can discuss shaping, which is very important, products, maybe the other types of eyebrows you could do, a separate video for grooming, which is really important, because I honestly, I don't trust anybody with my brows. I trim my own brows at home. Yeah, we could do that. All you have to do is let me know in the comments. From here, I'm getting into another video which will follow this one, which I will be doing a soft glam look for you guys, so stay tuned. This is the part where you really need to like click that notification bell. It is really important. Besides that, I love everybody for watching. Thank you, and see you in the next one.
She the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the car. She don't stress, she don't trip, she don't fuck with all my bros.